Hello everyone, I Dr. Smita Rani Bhardia will discuss here the module 7 firefighting appliances and PPE. We will discuss here about the fire rescue tender. Whenever there is a fire accident reported anywhere, be it a building or an office, a factory or a restaurant, a fire tender is called immediately. In India, we call it with dial 101. If you are taking any fire and safety courses or pursuing any diploma courses like an advanced diploma in industrial safety, then learning about the fire fighting vehicle is very important for you. In this lecture, we will discuss everything about the fire tender, from their types to their uses. In the face of emergency, where time is of the essence and lives and properties are at stake, the role of swift and effective emergency responses cannot be overstated. The fire rescue tender, often referred to as a fire tender or a fire tanker, stand as a vital asset in enhancing our ability to respond and combat fires with precision and efficiency. What is fire tender? A fire tender is a collective term used for fire extinguishing vehicle like fire trucks and fire engines. These are the large red vehicle equipped with a blazing siren, huge lighting and multiple fire extinguishing equipments. What started off as a simple water pump placed on a wheel has now transferred into a full-flagged fire fighting vehicle carrying all the essential supplies like power tools, ladders, water tank and rescue gears as to move from fire station to fire accident spot. It is basically a unit of apparatus that is used by any protection service to transport extinguishing agents, equipments and men to fire scene. By the end of session, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of how fire rescue tender bolster firefighting capacities, ensuring a safer and more resilient community. Importance of fire rescue tender. It is important because of life prevention, property protection, fire spread control, safety of responders, environment protection, community confidence and contamination of secondary hazards, prevention of fire spreads, cost reduction and public welfare. As the name suggested, this vehicle is tailored to transport and supply substantial quantities of water or firefighting agents directly to the scene of a fire. This capacity becomes particularly invaluable when conventional water sources are rare, unreachable, or insufficient to combat the flash effectively. The fire rescue tender is engineered to overcome the challenges posed by remote or resource limit locations where traditional firefighting infrastructures may be lacking. It acts as a mobile reservoir capable of storing a sufficient amount of water or firefighting foams, enabling it to function an on-site supply source during firefighting operations. This flexibility empowers fighters to initiate immediate action even in environments where access to hydrant or permanent water sources is compromised. The vehicle temporary object is to swiftly provide an adequate and continuous water supply to firefighting personnels and equipments, ensuring they have the resource necessary to combat the fire efficiently. The fire rescue tender is equipped with specialized features such as powerful pumping system, multiple hose connection and even water cannons in some cases, enabling responders to direct water stream precisely where needed to suppress flames effectively. Fire hydrant system and fire sprinkler system are two main approaches to firefighting. In most fire cases, a fire hydrant is the main method of fire extinguishing in a municipal area. Apart from fire hydrant, fire sprinkler systems are another common way of fire fighting. What is fire hydrant system? A fire hydrant system is an outlet that have a valve that supplies the water to the fire fans and fire pumps involved in the fighting. Note that a specific law of regulations needed to be followed for keeping operations fire hydrant with free access in residential areas, urban and developed areas, factories, etc. These law makes an important component of all fire and safety courses and industrial safety diplomas. Fire hydrant outlets are generally installed within the buildings to allow firefighting to connect their pipes and hoses to a regulated water supply to put off massive fires. These hydrants can be dry or empty in normal situation but can be charged with the pumping appliances of the fire brigades during an emergency. Alternatively, they can be kept full of water which is supplied from the pump and tank of the building itself. Such type of fire hydrants are known as wet fire hydrants and they can be paired with fire service inlet. What are fire sprinkler system? How do they work? An automated fire sprinkler system is the most efficient way to use water from fixed system. It is specially designed to attack the fire at a specific temperature in the form of spray. It cannot only extinguish the fire but can also control its speed. Generally, the fire extinguishing process of a sprinkler system includes combustible material to prevent further displacement of oxygen, steam, and combustible vapor and spread of fire. Again, the sensitivity of a fire sprinkler system's heat depends upon the rating of its glass bulb, which is usually falls between 57 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius. Moreover, the intentionally is classified using different color codes. Further, the design of sprinkler system is determined using the hazardous classification of building occupancy. What are the type of our fire sprinkler system? There are mainly four type of fire sprinkler systems are present. Dry sprinkler system, wet sprinkler system, pre-action sprinkler system and alternative sprinkler system. The selection of the sprinkler system is based on the type of area that needed to be protected. Difference between fire hydrant and fire sprinkler systems. We have just discussed the both type of firefighting systems. Let's know how they are different from each other. So, the key difference between a fire sprinkler system and fire hydrant system is that the former will function automatically in case of a fire. A fire hydrant, on the other hand, needed to be handled manually by firefighters, can be operated by just any layman. In fire rescue tender, we have both systems. One of the most critical role of a fire rescue tender is its ability to supplement the water supply for firefighting operations when traditional water sources such as hydrant and sprinkler system and scarce are not present. In numerous emergency scenario, the availability of water can be decisive factor in effectively combating fires. Here is how fire rescue tender play a vital role in addressing the challenges. In remote or rural areas, industrial site and construction zones, wildlife and forest fires, urban areas with water supply issue, large scale fire and extended operations. Fire rescue tenders are equipped with a range of key features that enable them to efficiently transport the supply of water or firefighting agent to the scene of a fire. These feature ensuring their effectiveness in the various emergency responses scenario. Here are the key features of fire rescue tenders. First is large water supply storage. Fire rescue tenders are designed with a sizable water tanker that can hold substantial volume of water for fire or firefighting foam. This sample capacity allows them to deliver a continuous water supply or firefighting agent to firefighting personnel and equipment. Pumping system. Fire rescue tenders are equipped with high-powered pumping system capable of delivering water or foam under pressure. These pumps enable the creation of a strong and directed water stream to effectively suppress the fire. Hose connection. Multiple hose outlets are incorporated in the fire rescue tender, allowing firefighters to connect hoses and direct water streams precisely where it needed. These outlets provide hose connection. Multiple hose outlets are incorporated in the fire rescue tenders, allowing firefighters to connect hoses and direct water streams precisely where needed. These outlets provide versatility in firefighting strategy. Next one is water cannon. Some tenders are equipped with water cannons and monitors mounted to the vehicle's chassis. These powerful cannons can project white water over long distance, making them particularly useful for extinguishing fire in hard to reach area. Next one is auxiliary equipments. Fire rescue tenders carry a large range of auxiliary firefighting equipment and tools such as hoses, nozzles, foam propulsionating system and firefighting suits. This comprehensive assortment ensures the responders have the necessary tools for effective fire suppression. Lighting and visibility features. Emergency lighting scene illumination and reflective marking enhance visibility and safety at night or in low light condition, allowing the tenders to operate efficiently in challenging environment. Next one is water shuttle capability. In case where a permanent water source is distant, some traders are designed with the water shuttle capability. They can collect water from source like lake, pond or hydrant and then shuttle it to the fire scene, ensuring a continuous water supply. Next one is GPS navigation system. Modern fire rescue tenders often come equipped with GPS navigation system, enabling efficient route planning and navigation to the fire scene, particularly in the unfamiliar or challenging areas. Next one is telematics and communication. Advanced tender features telematic systems for real-time monitoring and communication with command centers. This connectivity enhances the coordination, situation awareness and overall operational efficiency. Last one is safety features. Safety is the paramount for the both responders and to the community. Fire rescue tenders are equipped with safety features such as rollover protection system, emergency lighting and high visibility marking to ensure safe operation in high stress environment. In conclusion, the comprehensive set of features found in the fire rescue tender equips these vehicles to tackle diverse firefighting scenarios. These large water storage, pumping capacities and auxiliary equipment actively contributes to their vital role in enhancing emergency response and capacities. These type of tenders offer specialized capacities to effectively respond to a range of emergency situations. Here are the main type of fire rescue tender. First is tender pampers. Tender pampers combine the feature of water tanker and fire pump. They are equipped with a large water tank for transporting water to the fire scene and powerful pumping system to deliver water or firefighting foam under the pressure. Second one is Rapid Intervention Vehicle. Rapid Intervention Vehicles, also known as RIVs or Quick Attack Tenders, are compact with Angel vehicle designed for quick response to initial firefighting efforts. They are particularly useful in urban areas when, meanwhile, their survey is crucial. While they may have smaller water tanks, they are equipped with firefighting equipment like hoses, nozzles, and foam system for rapid firefighting. Water shuttle tenders. The water shuttle tender is specialized in transporting water from distant water sources to fire scene. They are essential in scenario where a permanent water source is unavailable or distant. These tenders use their large tankers to shuttle water back and forth, maintaining a steady water supply for firefighting operations. Specialized hazardous material tender. Some fire rescue tenders are designed to handle hazardous materials incidents. These vehicles are equipped with features to control and contain hazardous materials. They carry specialized equipment, protective gears, and decontaminations facilities for safe handling of hazardous substance during emergencies. Another one is aerial fire tender. Aerial fire tenders, often referred to as aerial tankers or water bombers, are designed for firefighting in forested or wildlife prone area. Airport crash traders. These specialized traders are used at airport to respond to aircraft emergencies, including fires. They are equipped with powerful fire fighting equipments and foam system to combat aviation related fires effectively. Next, multi-purpose fire tender. Multi-purpose fire rescue tenders are versatile vehicles that can be customized for various firefighting scenarios. They might combine the features of different type of tenders to cater to a wide range of emergencies. In summary, the diversity of fire rescue tender type of reflects and need of tailored solution to different emergency scenario. Each type of optimized to address specific challenges and contribute to overall effectiveness of firefighting and emergency responses operations. Modern fire rescue tenders are integrating advanced features technology to enhance their capacity, improve operational efficiency, and ensure the safer of both responder and the public. These advancements are aimed to make firefighting operations more effective, data driven, and responsive. Here are some advanced features and technology that modern rescue tender might incorporate. GPS navigation and mapping system. Integrated GPS navigation system provide real-time route planning, optimal navigation to fire scene, and accurate positioning within the incident area. This technology is crucial for quickly reaching the emergency location, especially in unfair or complex trains. Second one, telematics and remote monitoring. Telematics system enable remote monitoring and tracking of the trader's location, status and performance. Command center can have real-time data allowing them to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively and coordinate response efficiently. Automatic foam proportionating system. Advanced fire rescue tender can incorporate automatic foam proportionating system. These system ensuring that the correct ratio of water to firefighting foams is maintained, optimizing the effectiveness of foam-based firefighting operations. Another one is remote control water cannons. Some tenders come with remote controlled water cannon allowing operate to direct powerful water streams from a safe distance. This feature is particularly valuable in hazardous situations such as fire involving hazardous materials. Another one is thermal imaging and sensor technology. Integrated thermal imaging cameras and sensor enable firefighting to identify hotspot and hidden fires within structure or smoke filled in-field area. This enhances situation awareness and helps target firefighting effort more accurately. Another one is data integration and communication system. Modern tender can integrated with broader communication networks, enabling seamless information exchange between firefighting units, command center and other emergency responders. This integration improves coordination and situation awareness. Firefighting simulation and training system. Simulation and training system help operate familiarizes themselves with the tender's control and operation through vital scenario. This ensuring that the operators are prepared to handle emergency effectively. Emergency lighting and signaling system. Advanced lighting system includes powerful LED lighting for scene illumination and high visibility flashing light to enhance the tender's visibility and safety, especially during the night time operation. Automatic water level sensor. This one is most important. Water level sensor within the water tank provides the real-time information on water level, ensuring that the operations are aware of available resources and can help their action accordingly. 10th is hybrid and electric propulsion. Some modern and fire rescue tender are exploring hybrid or electric propulsion system to reduce emission and noise pollution, making them more environment friendly and suitable for urban environment. These advanced features and technologies are transforming fire rescue tender into a highly sophisticated tools for emergency responses. By integrating data-driven insight and automation, modern tenders contribute to more efficient and effective firefighting operations, ultimately enhancing the safety and well-being of communities. Conclusion. Fire rescue tender stands as indispensable assets that play a critical and transformative role in enhancing our emergency response capacities. In a world where rapid and effective crisis management is paramount, these specialized vehicles emerge as essential tools that can make a profound difference in protective lives, properties, and the environment. Let's understand the pivotal role bolstering our emergency responses capacities. First, rapid mobilization and swift responses. Fire rescue tenders are engineered for immediate development. Their ability to swiftly reach the scene of an emergency, even in challenging terrains, enable firefighters to initiate vital operations prominently. This rapid mobilization is the foundation of timely invention, reducing the potential for escalation and damage. Second one is rescue enhancement in remote areas. In remote or rural location where conventional water infrastructure might be lacking, fire rescue tender become the lifeline of firefighting efforts. Their capacity to transport substantial amount of water directly to the site, ensuring that responders are not hindered by limited resource. Third one is versatility in various scenarios. From urban environment to wildlife in vast landscape, fire rescue tender exhibit remarkable versatility. They can adapt to a multiple situation, offering essential water supply, firefighting capacities, and support for prolonged operation. Another one is bridging the hydrant gap. In intense where the hydrants are scarce or incapable to protect, fire rescue tender serve as a bridge, providing the necessary water supply to commence firefighting activities. This role is pivotal in densely populated urban areas or location with limited infrastructure. Migration of hazardous situations. In hazardous material incidents or fires involving complex scenario, fire rescue tender equipped with specialized feature over a strategic advantages. Their ability to deliver water, foam or other agents in a controlled manner, containing and mitigating hazards. Amplified wildlife control. During wildlife fires that threaten vast areas, fire rescue tender with water shuttle capacities become instrumental in the stabilizing contaminant lines and preventing the fire foam spreading further. Their mobility ensures effective firefighting responses even in rugged terrain. Augmentation of initial attack. Rapid interventions vehicles and quick attack tender provide essential initiation attack capacities in urban settings. Their agility and firefighting equipments allow them to quell fire in their early stages and preventing escalations. Next one is integration of cutting edge technology. Modern fire rescue tender are equipped with advanced technology including GPS navigation, telematics and remote monitoring. This integration enhances operational efficiency, situational awareness and coordination. Other one is confidence and community resilience. The presence of fire rescue tender sends a strong message of preparedness and dedication to community safety. Their availability enhances community confidence in emergency responses system and fosters resilience in the face of adversity. In the conclusion, fire rescue tenders are more than a vehicle. They are embodiment of our commitment to safeguard lives and properties. Their swift response and versatile capacity and integration of advanced technology elevate our emergency responses capacities to new heights. In times of crisis, these vehicles stand as stalwarts, ensuring that the flames of disaster are met with the determined forces of a united response. Thank you so much for your attention. In our next class, we will discuss about horses, branches and nodules. Thank you.